In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your rewards on Amazon Pay and make the most of them. We'll go through this step by step, ensuring you clearly understand the process and can confidently navigate your Amazon account. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Amazon.com. If you've got it bookmarked, that will save you a click. Amazon is not only a colossal online marketplace, but also provides a range of helpful services and features, one of which includes accumulating rewards that can be quite beneficial over time. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look towards the upper right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it and then enter your login information. This is where your saved email and password come in handy, making the process that much smoother. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, be sure to have your preferred authentication method ready. After logging in, you'll find yourself back on the Amazon homepage. From here, move your cursor to the right upper section and hover over or click on Account and Lists. Once you're in this menu, you'll see a variety of options related to your Amazon account. This area is a hub for account settings, preferences, business-related options, and more. But what we're interested in today is finding our rewards details. As you explore, your next click should be on View Gift Card Balance and Activity. This is where things get exciting because it's not just about gift cards. This section gives you an insight into any available rewards and their history. Checking this regularly can be a delightful surprise since you might discover rewards you weren't even aware had accumulated. Rewards you gather through Amazon Pay can often be applied to future purchases, essentially giving you discounts or even free items, depending on your balance. And there you have it, it's as simple as that. Checking your rewards on Amazon Pay can become a rewarding experience in itself, offering you savings on purchases. Remember, these rewards can sometimes have expiration dates, so it's a good practice to check them regularly. Thanks for sticking with me through this guide. With these easy to follow steps, you're well on your way to maximizing your rewards with Amazon Pay. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your online shopping experience. Happy shopping!